What's up friends, welcome to the compound of Plain Glim and the home of automobiles and motorcycle. Like always, we are also today here to give you some information and give you some of our opinions on the newly revealed 2021 new Chevy Suburban. Let's start the video with this intro. Let's begin our review. Many say that the newest 2021 Chevy Suburban is the most handsome design Suburban has ever designed. It is designed as a spacious utility vehicle while still having a relatively luxurious feel inside of the cabin. The Suburban comes with a standard 5.3-liter V8 that produces 355 horsepower, or 6.2-liter V8 and or 3.0-liter diesel 1-8 are also engines that are available for the Suburban. The prices of this well-known SUV ranges between from $53,945 US for the base trim and $74,045 US for most premium trim. Talking about the fuel tank capacity, it consists 28-gallon fuel tank. The bore and stroke is 3.8 into 3.62 inches. The block material is cast aluminum and the cylinder head material is also cast aluminum. Talking about the fuel delivery, it has high pressure common rail direct injection 36,250 psi by 2500 bar, along with the electronic throttle valve. The passenger doors are found with the passenger capacity 7, rear wheel drive drivetrain with body style sport utility. Today for this much I want to say goodbye from this video. See you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye and tuning into my channel.